Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup pasta, step by step. This comforting dish is perfect for a quick weeknight meal and uses simple ingredients you likely already have. We'll start by gathering everything we need, focusing on a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, about 8 ounces of small pasta, and fresh aromatics like garlic and onion. Get ready to create a wonderfully warm and satisfying meal in under 30 minutes. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup pasta. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 finely diced medium onion and cook until softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cups of vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. With our flavorful base simmering, it's time to add the star of the show, the pasta. Carefully pour in 8 ounces of your chosen small pasta, such as ditalini or small shells, directly into the simmering tomato sauce. Stir well to ensure all the pasta is submerged. Continue to cook, stirring frequently every 1 to 2 minutes, for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the pasta is perfectly al dente and has absorbed much of the liquid. We're almost there. To finish our creamy tomato soup pasta, remove the pot from the heat. Stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative like coconut milk for a luxurious texture. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Finally, stir in a handful of fresh chopped basil for a burst of aromatic flavor. Serve your delicious tomato soup pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.